Today we're going to be installing the Bulletproof Designs rear disc guard on this 2020 Husqvarna TX300i. Hey guys, Ryan Nitzen here for Bulletproof Designs. Today we're working on this 2020 Husqvarna TX300i. We're here at Three Brothers Racing in Southern California, the nation's largest KTM and Husqvarna dealership. And today we're going to be getting these bikes battle ready with Bulletproof Designs guards. The Bulletproof Designs rear disc guard is a one-piece design that is simple to install and also lightweight. It is the strongest rear disc guard on the market and easily bolts together with our new rear caliper guard kit. Bulletproof Designs rear disc guard is also available in the silver or a hard anodized colors that are also available on our website. To install the Bulletproof Designs rear disc guard, we're going to need three simple tools. First up, we're going to be using a breaker bar to remove the rear axle. However, you can use a crescent wrench or a torque wrench. We're also going to be using a 11mm wrench and a set of pliers. So that's it for the installation of the Bulletproof Designs rear disc guard. We got better protection against rocks, roost, ruts, trees, anything you find out on the trail, Bulletproof Designs is going to have you covered. While we install it on this 2020 Husqvarna, be sure to check out the Bulletproof Designs website as we have these rear disc guards for multiple makes and models to keep your bike protected. All Bulletproof Designs guards are made by riders, for riders, right here in the USA and feature a lifetime warranty. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on social media, follow our website, and stay tuned for more from Bulletproof Designs.